Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to start Stardew Valley right. Your first few days are crucial for setting up a successful farm. Focus on clearing a small, manageable plot of land and planting your initial parsnip seeds. Remember to water them daily. As soon as you can, upgrade your watering can and axe at the blacksmiths to make your daily chores much easier. Don't forget to craft a chest to store your valuable items and keep your inventory clear. To maximize your early income, fishing is your best friend. Spend a few hours each day at the river or ocean. Even basic fish sell for a good amount of gold. Also, keep an eye out for foraged items like spring onions and wild horseradish, which can be sold immediately. Don't forget to chop down trees for wood and collect stone from rocks, as these resources are vital for crafting and upgrading your farm buildings later on. Every bit of gold counts in the beginning. With your AirPods in pairing mode, turn your attention to your Garmin Forerunner 965. Hold down the up button to open the main menu. From there, navigate to music and then select headphones. Next, choose Add New to prompt your watch to search for available Bluetooth devices. Your AirPods should appear in the list. Select them to finalize the connection. For long-term success, focus on sustainable farm growth. As you progress, invest in quality sprinklers to automate watering your crops, freeing up valuable time for other activities. Always plan your crops carefully for each season to ensure maximum profit. Upgrading your farmhouse will give you a kitchen, allowing you to cook meals that restore energy and health or sell for a good price. Eventually, consider adding a coop or barn to your farm for a consistent income from animal products.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.